It's so bliss, happy, happy. Thank you YouTube, thank you YouTube company, thank you to all YouTube workers and YouTube mga staff. I'm just thinking pa I'm watching. And thank you to all viewers. Thank you to all viewers of mine. Okay, in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you very much to all viewers. Thank you very much. And thank you to all supporters. Thank you, and thank you more that you are still to support in my Simply YouTube channel. Thank you, and to all subscriber of mine. Thank you very much again. Thank you. I'm just always thank you to all. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you to views my old videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you that you are giving time, patient, and giving me help to subscribe me in my YouTube channel, share, likes, and comments. Thank you very much talaga. And thank you to all some blogger that you are helping also to me from the beginning until now. And you know who you are. You are too much already to mention you by one for individual names. Just a minute, because I make only videos. Why? To be thankful and to be thank you very much that they are helping to the YouTube of Grace, okay, of God's, okay. What was your most viewed video last week? I think it's salad, if I'm not mistaken. It's salad. Saya, right. Thank you very much. Thank you to all viewers of us. Thank you. Sisi, it's make scratch, Celine. Naku, Celine, no. It's make it scratch. Nakulago tayo ni mama mo. And thank you that until now you are still support, and to all viewers, to all supporters, to all subscriber, and to all nationwide and worldwide. Just a minute, let me to finish first. Thank you very much. It's just general na, because it's too much na to mention you one by one, even to my hair in my mga employers. Celine, ayan si Celine. Hello Celine Golis, hello. Okay, and now she's waiting of the cell phone. And I make video pa first. Just a minute, give me chance muna so Ayman. And thank you to the all families, and thank you to all of us families in my YouTube channel. It's my families already. The all viewers, supporters, and subscribers is belong in the family. To my journey as OFW here, to my employer, and to Celine, it's already my family, both side, Madam and Sir Celine. And the family of both side of my nanay and tatay, and what's that, of my the only one brother. And today is the birthday of my brother in heaven, my younger brother, and my niece, may mga apo, relatives sa isla, sa Dinagat Island, Albor, Libho, sa Surigao del Norte, sa island, sa dagat, sa dagat side, and sa land side also. It's too much to mention na Quezon, Osmeña, and so on. Okay, and Tubahon, Santa Cruz, Loreto, Mabini, and so on. Okay, and Surigao del Norte, Surigao City, Surigao del Sur, Siargao, and Mainland and Cebu, here pa in Davao. Basta all Mindanao, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Nationwide, gani, and worldwide. Just a minute, 1 minute. Thank you very much. And Guli, bye-bye na. Bye-bye because she's waiting. She's waiting of the cell phone. Okay, Yela, bye-bye. Yela, Silly, bye-bye, Silin.
Bye-bye.
Ayun na, kinuha na yung cellphone. Ay, ginawa ko na alaga. Yela, bye-bye.